Hey YouTube, coming back at you. CLB Services. Sorry I've been out of the loop for a while. I've been trying to catch up, make some finances happen for myself, and I bought me a Road King and have a motorcycle lift now. And my first customer for this year is a 2013 Road Glide. I'm going to be doing a complete build on this one. Air ride, bagger and kit as far as the bags and the fender, stretch tanks, wraparound front fender for a 23-inch wheel, matching wheel in the rear, some audio, and some paint and airbrushing. I'm going to be in more detail. Of course, you guys always see the after product. I'm not going to do that as much as I used to. I'm just going to go straight to the actual project as far as doing it myself, letting you guys see how I do it. Like I said, I finally got me a lift and a couple scissor jacks to keep the bike nice and steady. It comes in handy. I definitely needed it. Because if anything, you guys know, working on the bike can be kind of hard on your back, especially when you're 6'3" like me. So I spend a lot of time on the ground, and if I don't have to be on the ground anymore, so be it. So, you see how much of a difference this makes for me? Worst comes to worst, I can always grab me a chair and I can sit down and work at height level. I'm very excited about this lift table. Got a good deal on it. Like I said, it's a 2013 Road Glide. Show you guys my new addition to the family. You guys know the VTX. You've seen plenty of videos on that. You guys are ready for some new videos. Going to the Harley game. I will tell you, ever since I bought this Harley, I've been excited because, you know, as far as finding things aftermarket, the market is flooded for Harley stuff. So I'm very excited about this build. This will be a complete build. I'll probably do 2 stages with this build. Of course, you know, I'm gonna put my handlebars on first. KST custom handlebars, love them. They're on everything I have. They're on that one, they're on this one, and they're gonna be on the Harley. Now the second company I would have went with were the Carlinis, but I didn't go that route because it's loyalty to KST. They've always been there. Great customer service. I'm not gonna give you any BS. They don't pay me, nobody pays me anything or donates or gives anything for my builds. This is coming straight out of my pocket. So KST's really got great pricing and just great quality handlebars. So big ups to KST Customs. This is a 88 motor. I'm even gonna do the motor work myself. I'm probably gonna do the S&S 100 jugs and some internals as far as cams and the gear set for the camshaft and probably some heads, and eventually in the future I would love to have a 124 in this, but that's not right now because I need a lot more money for that. But like I said, this is a 2000 Road Glide. 2000 Road King. Great deal, got it for a great price. If the owner's watching this, thank you so much, because when I bought the bike I also got the table with motorcycle jack, so that was a great deal. And I'm gonna take care of this bike. Obviously, you guys know I don't beat nothing up. I don't even make it better, in my personal opinion. But 2000 Road King, EFI, FLHRI. Leave in the comments if you guys want me to do real time on the actual build when I'm doing piece by piece, or do you guys want it fast forwarded to a clarity that you can see what's going on, but nonetheless you don't have to sit through a 45-minute video. Let me know, please. With the actual Road King, I will be doing the handlebars. I'm taping that. I'm gonna show a video for that one. And I still have another video on this, on how to build a bagger, and choosing and selecting the actual bagger kit I went with. For these Harleys, I'm not going to be married to a bagger company. I'm going to look at all the views as far as online to see what interests me as far as pricing goes and quality. And of course, you won't find out the quality till you get it. I'm very happy with backyard air suspension for my Honda VTX. But I'm going to keep my options open as far as other bagger kits for the Harleys. Backyard air suspension makes kits for the Harleys just as well. But there's a lot of companies out there that also spark my interest, is just seeing different stylings, and sometimes the hardest part is to find the exact year and make for your actual Harley that the kits work for. Sometimes you'll get a universal fit from a number of years that we know don't bolt up to the actual fender supports. So I'm going to be kind of picky. I'm going to take my time with it. I'm going to talk to different companies, and I'm still going to talk to Backyard Air Suspension because they did a great job with me on this red bike. And hopefully, like I said, please hit that like and subscribe. We can get some sponsors hopefully one day, or some donations for their parts so I can put them on bikes and do a full audio and video on it, and just have a learning session for all of us to take in, okay? So I thank you for the time, and conclude this video. And please know that I will have another video for how to build a bagger. I haven't done this rear end as far as picking it yet. I probably said that already. And then of course the other video will be me doing the handlebars on the Road King. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.